Yeah, I don't think we're gonna.
We're just gonna do it.
We're already recording, by the way.
We're gonna do it randomly. Hello, everybody.
Hi, kitty cats. So we're going to just open up our Ipsy Bags. We have 4 months of Ipsy Bags, and we don't know what month is what. Plus,
They don't make boxes
I have one
anymore.
of these, which I think was an extra thing that I bought. So I'm just gonna open that up really quick. Except there, okay, I thought I had scissors in here somewhere. Except,
I feel like I need a sneeze.
I can't get this to,
It's so dusty.
come on. Gosh.
That's how much we've been procrastinating on.
Yeah.
It's so, like, some of the packaging is dusty.
And
And it's getting to my nose and I feel like sneezing.
yeah, we've just been putting it in like a bigger box and letting it sit there and...
Because we would keep saying we'll do it, but then things were happening with me and then things were happening with mom.
Yeah. Okay, so this is some, this is some extra stuff that I
That's
bought.
a lot of stuff.
I know. This, in this one box, they put these 2 little things.
This huge box. That's a lot of stuff.
This was some stuff from Artist Couture that I saw on Ipsy, and I wanted them because I love Artist Couture stuff, but I usually don't buy them for some reason. So we've got some, this is Golden Hour Diamonds Light Finisher.
Oh, I
The
didn't
packaging
see
from this stuff is really cool too, but you can't really see like the color. It's like a gold
that. Did you
dust
know
finisher.
you never really need to rip this box apart?
Okay.
It does that. It does that cool thing. Why did they stop making boxes?
I don't know. It makes me mad that I get envelopes, but
Envelopes are bad for the environment.
well, in some places the envelopes are recyclable. They just aren't here. So
Yeah, but there's more uses with boxes than envelopes.
I can't seem to get anything open.
I could have gotten it open if I don't sneeze. I think I sneezed on some. I'm sorry.
Okay. And this is a lipstick from Artist Couture. It doesn't want to come out. I can't make anything work today. It'll come out this end. Alright, yes. So, packaging. It's a beautiful red. You know I love reds.
Reds are very beautiful.
So,
Sadly, I can't find the perfect red.
the
for
name of the
reds.
color is called... Why am I having trouble seeing it? Caliente. I don't know. I'm still having trouble with these bifocals. Anyways, it's called Caliente. Very pretty. Would you put it there?
I avoid wearing lipsticks now.
Throw this out in the box. Okay.
Now, this looks like the oldest, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. 4 months of Ipsy.
Well, this one, if you notice, this one is kind of like dirty, and this one's just like cleaner than that.
Yeah, I know that the one at my foot over here, I know, is the brand new one for July.
I mean, if we opened this ahead of time and looked at Ipsy's like history stuff, we've probably got this in order. But what's internet? Anyway. I got this cool thing. This is something that you liked,
Oh,
right?
yes.
I think I used it
Yes.
once. Hey,
That's-
would you mind not focusing on my mom? Like, I get it. My mom's beautiful. I'm beautiful too, but
Back up a little bit.
there we go. It's this stuff. My mom loves this stuff.
Yes, I do.
I only used it once. I can't remember my opinion on it, but
It smells yummy.
you want to take a smell?
I'm gonna take a smell.
I can't smell still. I'm gonna.
Oh, that smells good. It smells like summer. That's what it smells like to me. What? What'd you get?
It's watermelon.
We both love watermelon stuff. She's always mad that I have watermelon stuff and she doesn't. So watermelon's chapstick.
I was just mentioning I can't wear lipstick because, you know, my lips are dry constantly. But this will help. It's Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm. All natural, organic ingredients. What is it? I love watermelon stuff. I'm obsessed with watermelon. I'm obsessed with like watermelon patterns too. You put it closer to the point where like.
See, I find that.
We might have to put a picture on that.
Whatever.
We'll put a picture up, I think. I can take a picture and send it to you. Stuck on You Eye Primer.
I probably won't put the picture.
It's cute. Okay.
See, that one worked.
Yeah, it's still focusing on my face. But it's
But
also
still,
focusing on
yeah.
this. It's also because of the shine on this one. But yeah, it's really pretty. I like the packaging. I just hate that sometimes.
Yeah.
You have to break it. Ooh, it's purple.
What is it?
It's eye primer
Eye primer.
called Stuck on You.
Cool.
I guess it's eye primer that'll be stuck on me.
Eye primer is good. Well, it'll keep the eyeshadow stuck on you.
It'll make the eyeshadow even like appear more, is what I noticed. Especially if you have like dull eyeshadow, like maybe it feels cheap and it doesn't show up as much. Eye primer helps with that a lot. But that's what it looks like in the inside. Yes, just brightness. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's a nude color. And it's purple. And it's by the Beauty Crop.
I don't know that one.
It says Beauty Crop. And not right now,
Ding.
Alex.
Ding.
Oh, it's the Balm. Clean Beauty. It's for skincare. This is.
It's tinted moisturizer.
So
it's moisturizer, but it's tinted for your skin.
I don't know how I feel about tinted.
Yeah.
I'll try it, but I won't be trying it for a while because I have no current interest in putting makeup on me lately. But and then there's this. We're not showing the other thing because yeah, it's Hawaiian Eye Cream by Henniel.
Oh, nice.
And this is the balm stuff.
Kona peptides. I have a different Henniel product that was really nice.
I'm gonna do that first and just.
Your prom little chapstick.
Oh, it smells like watermelon. I don't even know how I can smell this. I can smell it.
Smell it.
I can't smell anything, and I can smell
She
that.
can't smell most things.
That's
She's
nice.
been like that for like.
Since before COVID? It was
Yeah,
like
it was like for 2 years.
before
she's been like
January.
that. It's just.
I think what the issue is, there are some people said that I'm possibly just really backed up in my nose, and I might need to get my
She
nose
has
cleaned
cystic
out.
fibrosis, so she probably needs to get some stuff done.
I need to get my nose cleaned out probably. That's gonna be fun. And that's it.
So for that one.
It's called Flower Power, and it just basically. Oh!
What?
The Juicy Watermelon scent is a total throwback to the fruity lip balms of our childhood.
Mm.
So, like, you know those lip balms that were, like, really strong scented? That's why I could smell it. I forgot what those were called. They made, like, soda brands. I'm trying to remember.
How are we gonna do this? Are we gonna go? You do one, I do one?
Yeah.
Okay.
was empty. I think that was one that you opened and then the box came late.
I don't know.
Oh wait, there's one there that you haven't opened yet.
Huh?
There's one on the floor you haven't opened.
Yeah, that's the brand new one. That's this month's.
So I just opened one. This is the one I opened.
Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I hate this. They don't even like. So, most of the stuff is not in the bag because it's too big, I think.
I remember you smelling like this now.
This is a cute bag though.
Can I?
Yeah, you can have it. But it is it's very cute.
Oh my.
And I'm usually like, about the bags, but that's a really cute one that she'll use.
I'm going to throw out some of my Ipsy bags soon that I don't really
So,
have
the
interest
Bold
in.
Beauty Challenge. This is, do you? Okay.
This smells so good.
So we got Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just a hydrating gel that's got aloe in it. Probably, yeah, suitable amount to face and softly pat until fully absorbed. Probably really good for if you get like sunburnt. But aloe is good for you anyway, so that's fine. And then we've got Aciology Lifting Treatment Mask. Lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. Does all that. So that's nice. I love, masks. So that could be a future Mask Monday or something. And 12-in-1 and 2 masks here. 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In. Oh, this is a hair mask. I don't know why they gave me a hair mask because Ipsy knows that I don't want hair products. I made it very clear.
Daily leave-in hair mask.
I can't use that. I don't have hair. But Bianca, I'm sure, will love it. And some brushes.
Ooh, we love brushes in this house. We love blushes too.
Pretty.
Oh, I thought it was one of those brushes where like the glitter moves.
No.
Because the way you were holding it and moving it, it looks like the glitter was moving.
They're soft.
I have some of my butter on it.
A whole set of brushes.
Do I smell nice?
Do what?
Because I put on your favorite moisturizer on.
So, more brushes. These are so much prettier than most of the brushes I
You
have.
have a collection of brushes.
Yeah, I have a lot of brushes. I should probably go through them.
And you should probably clean some of them.
Yeah, I have a whole mound of ones that need to be cleaned.
That's called procrastinating. I have a bunch I need to clean too.
When you have as many brushes as mine, you can get away with not cleaning them for longer because it's like, who's gonna do anything about it?
Unlike me, doesn't know.
This looks cool. Navigate the world from your own true north. Cruelty-free, vegan, free of parabens, blah blah blah. I'm like blah blah blah. I was looking for the name of the company. I guess it's called Fluid. We Are Fluid, it says in the corner. Otherworldly is the name of it. It's 8-shade palette.
Ooh, I like
And
the
of
purple.
course, the purple glittery is what we're all about around here. Tried it.
I like anything that looks like a galaxy, basically.
Can you see? Can you see it? There we go. Pretty colors. I like this color down here too, this green.
Oh yeah, that's a nice green. It reminds me of like
I mean,
seaweed.
otherwise it's very basic colors and then they have a pop of green shimmer and then a really glittery purplish color here called Quirkle.
Purple.
And the rest are like very like, normal everyday colors, but that's good. You can do like the normal everyday colors and then put a pop of green or a pop of purple. It's a cute little palette. I like it. I like it. So that was that one, whatever month it was for. I don't know. What? You're opening up yours.
I was gonna look through all the bags to see if anything matched the first bag I opened.
What? Oh, cute.
It's so cute. Yeah, these ones are not falling out. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look, feel it.
Yeah, it's like, that's cool. Show them the bag.
It's basically exactly like my mom's, but you know, it's like smaller, the sample size bag.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Ipsy, you're impressing me. This is impressive, Ipsy. Who's your designer
I
now?
wonder what this one's like.
The professional super setter. I do need setting. I do need setting sprays. Although I can always use my mom's because she has a lot. But, it's from Benefit too. It's just a super setting spray.
The professionals, yeah. I have a lot of setting sprays, so. It's funny because, like, 5 months ago I had none.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's what I put.
Yeah, like 5 months ago I had, like, none, and now I've got, like, 7.
I found out the trick. If you turn it to the side, it will like focus on it more. And then you could just turn it slightly. Let's move on again. Look at that bigger bag. Big bag. Oh, wait. Does this actually have the list of it? That's so messed up. Okay, this is my mom's. What came in that cute bag?
Yeah, there's no list.
There's no list.
But the sample size one has a list.
Has the list. Hold on.
Yeah, I know.
Ipsy. I love you, girl, boy, they, them.
That's one thing I like better about BoxyCharm is that they list everything out with the prices.
Glow on Fifth of Beauty. Rose Gouache. Facial massage beauty tool.